Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. The Polkadot chart continues to be in this sort of sideways range. Unfortunately, I think I've started the last 3-4 videos like that. poor guy analyzing the wave 4 all the time. Sorry, the wave 2. No, but just joking. Obviously, at some point it's going to break out, and if it might need another low, that's fine. That's why we have the yellow support region on the chart, so that nobody should be surprised in case it really forms another low. But Bitcoin is trying today, which is promising. Some altcoins are really moving nicely. DOT hasn't yet started to make a nice move, okay? So we are waiting here for a signal. We have seen attempted breakouts, but not really anything substantial yet to the upside. And in this yellow wave count, which allows for this interpretation as a diagonal pattern, like a leading diagonal, which would be the first confirmation that indeed the larger wave 2 correction is over, well, at least I need a break above that signal level at $7.77. It's here the swing high from the 21st of May and the swing high from the 27th of May, highlighted in green here. And until we break above that level, we're just again in another range. We might have moved the range a little higher, but we're still in a range. Holding, however, micro support. So there is the main support region, which is relevant for the wave 2. So this is wave 2 support. You might have heard the dog in the background. Wave 2 support, and this is really micro support, protecting, or let's say supporting the price in the very short term. And from here, of course, this C wave to the upside could start. Then we would have at least have 3 waves up, a viable third wave, yeah. But it should reach $8.78 ideally. Then a wave 4 pullback would be ideal next. And the 5th wave should take us to $9.40 or higher. So it's all about what are the first ideal targets and what are my expectations for such a 5th wave. And for such a 5th wave, I really need that wave 5 reach the 1.618 extension. I would say as a minimum. Can always go higher, right? I've really only shown here the levels up to the 1.618, but really maybe I should activate the 1.786 and the 200% extensions. Because the 3rd wave should, as a first ideal level, reach 878. The 5th wave should really minimally reach 937. Could also go a bit higher, yeah, $9.80 maybe. That would be even clearer for a 5-wave move. So that's sort of what I'm watching for. And then as soon as we get these 5 waves up, I can confirm that wave 2 bottomed, and then we can add the next support level for the next pullback, because until then, until we get these 5 waves up, this main wave 2 support area remains relevant. Okay, I've added another micro support area in addition, but it's not that relevant and not that reliable, compared to the main wave 2 support area, which goes down to 460, which also means that 460 needs to hold to, let's say to hold the bullish expectations alive. So from let's say looking at the bigger picture, it doesn't really matter if the price dips once more and forms another low. It would simply be an even deeper pullback in an already unfolding wave 2 correction. In the very short term, we would get a signal that the price plans another low if there is a break below 640, below micro support. But as I said, we'll keep an open mind. I'll give the bulls the chance here to perform. Therefore, I added a micro support area. We just need it to hold 640, and then a break above 777 is needed, and yeah, should take us to that target area up there. It could still top in a B wave at any point, but even in a B wave, I would actually prefer to go a little higher. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.